Modi regime has thrown thousands of innocent people behind bars on pretext of fake cases without any legal trial. Kashmir Media Service in its report said that over 4,000 Hurriyat leaders, youth, students, activists, human rights activists, journalists including APHC chairman Musarrat Alam Butt, Shabir Ahmad Shah, Mohammad Yasin Malik, Naeem Ahmad Khan, Asia Antrabi are languishing in different jails on fake cases imposed on them by the Modi regime. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has condemned the upsurge in cordon and search operations carried out by Indian forces and said that these repressive measures are designed to suppress the freedom sentiments of the people of occupied Jammu and Kashmir. All Parties Hurriyat Conference in a statement issued in Srinagar said Indian military and police along with non-Kashmiri bureaucrats are undemocratically ruling occupied Jammu and Kashmir while the people of the occupied territory are being suppressed. Kashmiris' every right, including right to life, has been snatched by the Indian regime led by fascist Modi, which has created such an atmosphere of fear and terror in the occupied Kashmir that everyone feels suffocated there. Analysts and political experts said that in this atmosphere, Kashmiris' lives, dignity and freedom are at the mercy of Indian brutal troops. Vice President of Jammu and Kashmir National Conference Umar Abdullah has asked why people of Jammu and Kashmir should pay state taxes, including the proposed property tax. Umar Abdullah said, "No taxation without representation. Why should people in Jammu and Kashmir pay taxes, including the proposed property tax, when we have no say and know how in government is run and no say in the decision making of Jammu and Kashmir," he said in a tweet. New Delhi-controlled State Investigation Agency has arrested 3, including a woman, during raids and searches at different places across the territory. SIA sleuths with the assistance of Indian paramilitary and police conducted searches at multiple locations in Islamabad, Pulwama, Budgam and Baramulla district in the last 2 days. People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti has questioned if the Kashmir conflict is over, then why thousands of Kashmiris are still languishing in jails across India. Talking to media, Mehbooba Mufti said, "Situation has severely deteriorated after 2019. The way Kashmir was treated, the way special status was scrapped, and various laws imposed, and our lands, jobs, minerals and resources were outsourced." Indian Ministry of Home Affairs has asked Indian Central Reserve Police Forces and Assam Rifles to provide details on shortage of personnel in their forces. According to Kashmir Media Service, at present the Indian paramilitary forces are facing a shortage of more than 83,127 gazetted officers and personnel. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has paid glowing tributes to Hurriyat activist Bashir Ahmed Peer, known as Imtiaz Alam, for his valuable services for the struggle of the people of the occupied Kashmir for achieving their internationally recognized right to self-determination. Imtiaz Alam was martyred in an attack in Rawalpindi on Monday.